Hello everyone. This time we'll discuss the latest rumors from the world of high-performance electric cars, the 2026 Audi RS E-Tron GT. Yes, Audi's electric sports sedan is reportedly undergoing a major update. Read on for more. Rumors suggest that the 2026 Audi RS E-Tron GT will come with significant performance upgrades. The dual electric motors used in the previous version are predicted to be refined, producing over 700 horsepower with significantly more torque. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is expected to be under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric cars in its class. The interior is also rumored to be increasingly sophisticated and luxurious. Audi is rumored to be incorporating the latest infotainment system based on AI and augmented reality (AR), as well as full integration with smart devices. A digital instrument panel, haptic touch controls, and Level 3 self-driving technology are also much discussed features. Audi appears to be aiming to challenge Tesla and Porsche's dominance in the high-performance EV market. With all these upgrades, the 2026 RS E-Tron GT is expected to start at $150,000 or the equivalent of IDR 2.4 billion, approximately $150,000, and up in the global market. Will this be a game-changer in the world of electric sports cars? Let's wait for the official launch, rumored to occur in late 2025 or early 2026. Not only power, but battery efficiency is also a highlight. Audi will likely equip the 2026 RS E-Tron GT with a new, larger capacity battery pack, capable of a range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge. Furthermore, the 350 kilowatts ultra-fast charging technology will be upgraded, allowing charging from 10% to 80% in less than 20 minutes. In terms of design, leaked images show an aggressive facelift with a futuristic closed front grille, sleeker aerodynamics, and the use of lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum to improve efficiency and performance. If you like rumors like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video.